All right, show you guys a trick. So we've got horses, and we have a neighbor who has a really big lot. We have a smaller lot for them. We have a barn and things like that. But we like to let them out and eat some nice fresh grass in this lot. Now the problem is there's a road over there. They can get to it and they can get out. So we decided an electric fence. Now the problem with an electric fence is knowing if it's really working. Now they make this tool to find out if it's really working. $50 to $100 depending on which one you get. And I guess that would be a pretty good investment, but we didn't have it. So what we had was the electric fence line, and this is a plastic type polymer line there that has metal fibers embedded in it. And the metal fibers transmit the electricity. Now, the reason we like this type of fence is we can adjust it pretty easily. So what I did today is I adjusted it. So there, we move these posts right there. Those little plastic posts. You just pull them up and move them. Now, the issue with an electric fence is knowing if it's working, like I said. So after you move it, is it grounding out on some weeds? Is there something causing it maybe not to work correctly? And I want to show you a free way to check your electric fence. The first step is the dummy light. You see it flashing right there. It says fence okay. Now that is on your electric fence box, and you want to make sure that's flashing, but that doesn't mean necessarily that it's working completely. Now is the part that takes a little bit of courage. You're going to pull a weed. Really just about any old weed will do. So we're going to start with our hand, the main end of this weed. Now this weed, it's about 2.5 to 3 feet long, but I don't need any of that. I'm going to show you why. Here's what we got to do. So with our hand on the end of the weed and the tip of the weed, we're going to touch it to the fence. And it's touching it, my hand's on there, and I don't feel anything. I'm going to gradually move closer, and I'll start to feel a tingling sensation, because it's not going to snap all the way at full force to this weed. Okay, there it is. I'm feeling the tingling sensation right there. So to give you an idea, this is the length of the weed that it took for me to feel the tingling sensation. Right there. So where I'm bending it, that to the end is the length that it took me to start feeling it. So now I want to go around different locations on the fence, and I want to do the same check. And make sure that at some point along the line we haven't got grounded out, and there's an area that the horses could get out and possibly get hit by a moving vehicle like that one. We don't want that. So this at one time was a junkyard. There's only a few cars left, so we've got them for the most part sectioned out of the fence. And as I walk around, as I walk around and test it with the weed instead of my back. Phew, okay. Gosh, yeah. All right, listen, thanks to another YouTuber who I'll find his link and put it down there in my description where I found this video. Taught me how to do it, so I wanted to show you guys. Hey.